Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my 19th birthday haul. So like a lot of like the presents and stuff that I got for my 19th birthday, which was at the end of June. So that was like, I don't know, 2 weeks ago. This video is kind of going up late because I haven't really had time to film. Let me zoom out a little bit. I'm filming in a different place right now because I'm currently packing up everything in my room so that we can move it all and repaint my room. I'm redecorating it finally. We've been planning this for so long, and we're gonna like repaint everything, paint the walls back to white. I think I probably already mentioned that in a different video, but I can't film in my regular spot over there in that corner because I've got my desk that I set my camera on. It has like boxes and stuff, books stacked up on it. So I'm sitting on my bed right now. I don't think you can see it. I really just wanted to get something up, and I really wanted to film this video because I got a lot of really cool stuff, and I really hope you guys enjoy watching. Also, the makeup look that I'm wearing in this video right now will be coming up probably next week or so. So I think I'm going to start with makeup a bit and just kind of show you a few of the makeup items that I got. I got this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. This is in the shade Nude Ivory. I love this stuff. I just was like running low on it, so I asked for a replacement for it. I also got these Physicians Formula Rose. I think you said that rose because it's got a little apostrophe on top. The autofocus on this camera I think is kind of like going out, so I really don't know how good this stuff is focusing. But this is the Rose All Day Oil Free Serum from Physicians Formula. It smells so good. It's kind of like a really pearlescent, like a white, kind of like a thicker, not too serumy, but it's there like that. This stuff is amazing. It's supposed to be used like under makeup or just like by itself, or it says over makeup. I haven't tried that. It has rose water and like a couple of things that have like really like some kind of plum and something else, another kind of fruit that has a lot of vitamin C in it. When you put it on, it looks just like kind of just like white. But I don't know how good the camera will pick this up, but when you blend it in, it turns into like this pearlescent pink color. It smells so good. It has a really sweet rose smell. It smells so good. Oh my goodness. It's very strong though, so you don't have like strong fragrances. Like, it's very strong, but it smells so good. But I have been using this every night before I go to bed. I will put it under my eyes on my dark circles. I was trying that because I think like vitamin C is good for brightening or whatever. This one says it brightens and tightens is what it's good for. So I think I tried it under my makeup once. I didn't really care for that. I probably will try it again, but this just under my eyes before I go to bed, it has worked so well for the dark circles. I also got this Nyx Mineral Veil Set It and Don't Fret It loose powder in the shade Light Medium. Just a mineral loose powder. My sister got me a bunch of stuff. My older sister got me a bunch of stuff from e.l.f. She kind of was just like, pick out some stuff you want, I'll get it for you. So I picked out a few things from e.l.f. Probably won't show them all because there's kind of like a lot. It was like they had this big sale going on and they had like so much stuff for like $1 and under. So I just picked out a whole bunch of stuff that I've really been wanting and a couple things that I ran out of. One of the things is e.l.f. Hydrating Under Eye Primer. This e.l.f. Tinted Moisturizer. This in the shade Porcelain. I've used it probably twice. I just don't like it. It doesn't blend well. I mean, it was so cheap. It was like $1, but still, it just doesn't blend good. It's really streaky. It doesn't have any coverage, which it's tinted moisturizer is not supposed to. It was just very, very streaky, so it's so hard to use. I feel like you might be able to mix it into a foundation to kind of like lighten up the coverage of a foundation, and that it might work better like that, so I'm probably going to try it like that. Also, these Molten liquid eyeshadows from e.l.f. They were on sale, so I got like basically every color that they had. There was like 4 or 5 colors, I don't know. This is like a coppery one, and this is a rose gold. I actually have the rose gold, and then I had the other gold one from a while back. I used them both. You kind of just pat them onto your lid even when like you're not wearing makeup, and they kind of just blend in, give a little bit of a shimmery color. I don't know, they're so good. Let me show you what this is. The Molten bronzed color, kind of like a sheer color, bronzy. Also got a few packs of the e.l.f. Makeup remover exfoliating cleansing cloths. I had never tried these before. I normally just use the regular e.l.f. makeup wipes. It's like a regular makeup wipe on one side, and then the other side has these little like plasticky exfoliating pieces on it that just really helps to like take your makeup off and then smooth out your skin. I used them and they were so good, so I like these a lot. Okay, this is the e.l.f. Smudge Pot Cream Shadow, I think is what it's called, just a smudge pot on the bottom. This is the shade Back to Basics, and it's just a pretty gold shade. This is the e.l.f. Liquid Matte Eyeshadow, I think is what it's called, in the shade Blushing Rose. I don't 100% know what it's called because I lost the box. I think I threw it away. But it's just a matte liquid eyeshadow. This is something that I completely forgot I had even gotten. I found it. It was like in the bottom of my gift bag. This is the Physicians Formula Natural Nude Shimmer Strips, I think is what it's called. I lost the packaging. This is in the shade Natural Nude. I think there's also like a bronze nude one or something. This is the lighter one. This is supposed to be a really good highlighter for like paler skin, like these top colors, and I've really been wanting to try it for a while because I've been looking for just a straight up white highlighter, and this one looks really close to like just a plain white one. So I think that's like all the makeup that I got, or basically all of it. I don't really see any more. My mom got me these. She got me 2 of these. These are so cute. A little keychain, like key ring. It's like a key ring thing, but I think you could use it. It's got the little clip on it, so you could just clip it to whatever. I'll probably clip it to like my purse because it's kind of, I don't really carry around a keychain. So I'll probably clip these to my purse. They're so cute. They're little foxes and they're just fluffy. They're adorable. Oh my goodness, they're so cute and furry. Oh, I love foxes so much. My mom also got me this other one. This just, you know, kind of like the foxes one, but it's just got my initial and then a little pom-pom. Also got these set of measuring spoons. These are so cute. I just really had to show them. It's like, we found them, I think I found them at Hobby Lobby. Was it Hobby Lobby? I think it was Hobby Lobby. And my mom was just like, those are so cute. I'll get them for you for your birthday. Yep. I can't think straight today. They are very cute. They're heart-shaped, and they got like the little, you know, tablespoon on there. There's tablespoon, teaspoon, half teaspoon, quarter teaspoon. Also, my younger sister got me this. It's a little keychain with the Winter Soldier like star on it. This is so cool. Bucky is like my favorite character from anything. I think it's so cute. I really like this a lot. Also, I got a DVD and a book. The book is this Best Ever Cookies, Brownies, and Bars. It's a recipe book with a bunch of recipes for cookies, brownies, and bars. Haven't tried anything from here yet, but everything just looks so good. I want to like try it all. Like, look how cute those are. Look how cute the little Rainbow Swirl cookies are. Brown sugar brownies. Chocolate mint candy brownies. Let me see. Is there any like marshmallow brownies? Oh, found it. Found some marshmallow. It's like marshmallow fluff. Chocolate peanut butter. That sounds really good. Also got this DVD. This is Star Trek Beyond. This is the 3rd one in the trilogy. Or so far trilogy. There's another one. I think they're fixing to be filming another one or something. This is the newest one. This is my favorite one, I'm pretty sure. I have both the other ones on DVD. I think I like this one the best. I also got these shoes. I kind of like picked these out online, and then they're these heels. I found them on Amazon. They're the brand City Classified Comfort. I got like the black, like faux suede kind of ones, so they're like a matte, and they kind of like are a soft. My mom got me this dress. I haven't tried it on yet, and it's wrinkly because I haven't like put it in the dryer or anything yet. It's just like a red short sleeve zipper, zip up the back, from the brand Dress Tells. It was also on Amazon. I'm gonna put a picture. I'll insert a picture right here of what it's supposed to look like the picture from Amazon, but I haven't actually tried this on yet. It also came with like a little tie that you tie around it, a little belt. My younger sister also got me this little crop top cami. Since we're redecorating my room, my mom got me some curtains, just like white lace curtains. This is one panel. She got me 4 of them, so because I have 2 windows. This is what they look like. They're really pretty lace white. My mom also got me this Parwin's Pro Beauty curling iron set. I've really been eating one of these. It's like the set that has one of like the curling bases and then a bunch of like interchangeable wands on here. There are 7 different wands that you can put on it. And I haven't actually tried this out yet. I really need to. It's got like a bubble wand. It's got two. Is that two? I think it's got 3 tapered wands. And then a couple of just larger ones. It's got like this oval shaped one too. Which is a little bit, I don't know. Never tried one unless it looks like that. Comes with a couple little clips to hold your hair. And it comes with a heat-proof glove. Comes in a little case. It zips up, so that's really convenient. This little empty palette. I found one on Amazon because I've really been needing one. It's an empty palette with these little, like, removable magnetic pans. I'm pretty sure it's magnetic. You can take the little pans out. It's called like an empty eyeshadow palette, but I wanted it for a lipstick. So whenever, you know, like I have like half a lipstick left, I can just melt it down, pour it up in here, and then I'd have a bunch of different colors, and I can just like keep this in my purse, or if I'm on the go, if I'm traveling, and I don't want to take a whole bunch of lipsticks with me, I can just take one palette. I got some film for my Instax Mini 8 camera, the pink one that I think, did I show it in a video? I feel like I might have, but I've really been even filmed for it. I just haven't gotten around to buying some because it's kind of pricey, so I asked for it for my birthday. I really hope you guys liked this video. I think that was all of the stuff, or at least basically like everything I was really wanting to show, unless I missed something. I know I got some candy, couple candy bars, but like I already ate them like a long time ago. I really hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up. This dress does not want to stay on. Please give it a big thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social media, Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Periscope. All my links, of course, will be in the description box as always, as will, I don't know, something else, whatever I decide to type up in the description box. Please comment on this video, and I really hope that you enjoyed watching it, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Whoops. I literally just spilled that. Oh my goodness. Okay, hold on. It's like aqua, what? Okay, I can't talk today. Shimmer strips, what? No, I lost my iPad because all my presents are stacked up on top of it. First world problems.